Welcome to our channel. If you are looking for jobs abroad with visa sponsorships, you have come to the right place. We are here to share real job opportunities from employers who are offering visa sponsorships. Our mission is to connect you with these employers directly and help you find your next job abroad with ease. If you think this information could help others, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription makes a difference by helping us spread the word and reach more people who need these job opportunities. Together, we can help you start your journey to working abroad. I'm Juhi Singh, and today we are diving into some fantastic healthcare roles that come with visa sponsorship. Yes, for both local and international candidates. So, if you've been dreaming of working in the healthcare sector in the UK, grab a seat because this video is packed with opportunities just for you. Let's get started. First up, we have an amazing opportunity with Blackberry Hill Limited. They are renowned for their exceptional care services and a warm, supportive work environment. Perfect, right? Let me tell you what they are looking for. Now, they are looking for dedicated care workers to join their compassionate team. Here, your role will be helping residents with daily activities and personal care, collaborating to create care plans that truly make a difference. Sounds like you? Then this is your chance to send an email to the employer directly at gareth@blackberryhill.co.uk. But before you hit that send, pause and check. Make sure your email is timely and includes all the necessary details to increase your chances of success. Next on the list is Blackbrook House Care Limited. Imagine working in a place where residents feel like family. That's their vibe. Who they need are empathetic care workers who love making people smile. Now let me tell you what your role will be over here. Assisting residents with daily tasks and medication, engaging residents to make their day brighter and more fulfilling. We understand how challenging it can be to find the right information or get direct contact with employers. That's why at Visa Live, we are here to make your job search smoother by providing you with direct employer details. Now it's your turn to seize this opportunity. Don't wait and send an email with your CV to info@blackbrookcare.co.uk right away. Bloom Care Green Gables Limited is all about empowering residents to live their best lives. This one's perfect if you're a nurse looking to make a real impact. Who they need is caring nurses who go above and beyond. Now, your role over here will be delivering top-notch nursing care and keeping an eye on residents' health, teaming up with other healthcare pros for a holistic approach. The only thing standing between you and your next job is the action you take. Don't wait and send your CV to feedback@bloomcare.co.uk now. Imagine having access to job opportunities that could change your life just by staying informed. The right resources can make all the difference when it comes to finding a job abroad. That's where Visa Live comes in. By subscribing, you ensure you never miss out on the latest job updates, tips, and opportunities that could shape your future. Stay connected and let us guide you to the career you have been dreaming of. Now, let's keep the momentum going with another fantastic role from Bloom Care Limited. They specialize in enriching the lives of people with varying needs. Who they need are skilled care workers who love making a difference. Now, let me tell you what your role is over here. Supporting clients with personal hygiene and daily activities, encouraging independence while providing care. Timing is everything in life, and this is your moment. If this job aligns with your goal, seize it. Send your CV to abbotsbury@bloomcare.co.uk now. And if you need more information on location or have any doubts, check out the description box below or visit our website. Feeling overwhelmed or unsure about the process? Don't worry, we have got your back. Our team of experts are here to assist you free of charge. Just drop us a comment or reach out and we'll guide you through every step of the way. Now finally, we have got Blue Lily Home Care Limited. This one's for those of you who want to make a big impact in a home care setting. Who they need are compassionate care workers who can build meaningful relationships. Now what your role will be? You will be assisting clients with their daily routines and personal care, and also helping them live comfortably and independently at home. You have got everything to gain and nothing to lose. If this job feels like the perfect fit, send your CV to hello@bluelilyhomecare.co.uk and start your journey today. And that's a wrap on today's incredible job opportunities. If any of these roles feel like the right fit for you, don't wait and contact the employers directly with the details provided. Remember, these jobs come with visa sponsorship, making it easier for you to take the next big step in your career. While you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to Visa Live for more updates. Until next time, stay inspired and take care.